How to log in into your Costco Citi Card online account. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to App Hacks. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can log in into your Costco Citi Card online account from your mobile phone. So let us begin. First thing, open up any web browser. I'm using Safari, you can use whichever you want, and search for Costco Citi Card online. After you do that, hit enter and just go to the first link that pops up. After you've done that, you will get here. This is the official Costco site, and on the top right you will see sign on option. Tap on sign on. After you tap on sign on, it will take some time to load, but it will give you the page where you can log in into. So here, just type in your user ID and type in your password, and you can even tap on remember user ID to make it easier for you to log in on the future. Now, if you have forgotten your user ID, there is an option that will help you recover your user ID. If you forgot your password, there is also an option to recover your password. After you've done that, you can simply log in into your account and you're good to go. So that is how you log in into your Costco Citi Card online account. Thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to hit the like button and stay tuned for more.